Good day to all our Midrand Montessori toddler parents. I'd love to give you a warm welcome. I hope you're safe and keeping well during this difficult time. I'll be demonstrating an activity that is found in the Practical Life area, which is called spooning and pouring. The direct aim of this activity is to enhance the child's understanding to use the spooning and pouring activity together. The indirect aim is concentration, independence, hand-eye coordination, and crossing the midline using both hemispheres of your brain. The materials that are required is a spoon, a bowl, a tray, and a jug. The ingredients that you can use from home is dry macaroni, dry beans, or cereal. Today we'll be using dry beans. Let's move over to the activity. The first step is by inviting the child. You'll explain to the child when you're done showing them the spooning and pouring activity, they'll have a turn. You pick up your spoon using your right hand. You place it inside the bowl, slowly picking up your left hand to hold your bowl for support. You scoop some beans and place it inside the jug. Remember, parents, when you're working with this activity, you should not make a sound, because the child is concentrating on what you're doing and it will lose the child's concentration. When you're done scooping all the beans, you place your spoon on your tray. Then you pick up your two fingers using the index and middle finger, place it on the handle of the jug. Your thumb must go on top of the handle. Slowly pick up your left hand, your two fingers, the index and middle finger, place it on the jug for support. Slowly pick up your jug and pour all the beans inside the bowl. Slowly put your jug back on the tray. Thank you so much for watching.